Welcome. In front of me is a Realme C51, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and find the power saving mode. For me, it is on the second page, or right over here. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It basically fills or outlines the battery in red right now, and also gives it inside like a plus, just so you're aware that it is right now enabled. And the reason that might be important to you, because apart from it saving your battery somehow, it's most likely going to be doing certain things in the background that might not be preferred to some people. So just to kind of give you a little bit of an insight, though keep in mind this is just pure speculation. I haven't tested it out, but most power saving modes do this. So when you enable it and you're not using your device, so you lock it up like this and leave it, after a certain period of time it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. And either there are two options: it's not going to reconnect with it till you unlock the device or interact with it, or it's going to be reconnecting to your Wi-Fi and mobile data every so often, like maybe half an hour or an hour. So you might experience a delay of notifications that require internet connection. So obviously, if you have such a problem where your notifications aren't being delivered on time to you or being late, then this is power saving mode, trying to save power. Now, anyway, with that being said, once you're done with your power saving mode and you want to disable it, find the toggle once again and tap on it once more to turn it off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.